Hello, my name is Coba Diaz. I'm the International Account Manager of Isinac Acoustic World. We are manufacturers of acoustic absorbent panels like these ones. The interesting thing of our company is that we remove the echo and the reverberation inside the rooms, become then they're more acoustic, much more comfortable in acoustic treatment. Our raw material, all the products, all the manufacturing process, everything is from Europe. And the most amazing thing is that all of our products are tested by an external laboratory about fireproof, about absorption, and about allergic, so they can be exposed to people. They are available to install in hospitals, kids gardens, school, because of they are totally safety for people. I can show you one of them. This is one of our safes. They can be attached to the wall or to the ceiling with a really simple mechanism. You only need to remove this and attach, and even they can be hung. We have more or less 300 different type of pieces, and even we can make custom designs. You can find more information about us and about our products in our website, www.isinac.com.